afternoon, students. Today I am going to explain the third exercise in second chapter. Here I will explain about the division of the polynomials. Here some polynomials are given and some other g of x, which means divisors are also given. We have to divide that by long division method. This is also the same, which one you know very well about that numbers division. The same method we will use here. Here that given polynomial is x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 will be divided by x plus 1. We know the base and powers. That formula is, if bases are same, we have to add the powers. In the same way, x to the power of 1, what we will add to get that 3 here, 2 1 को 2 ऐड करेंगे तो हमको x3 आएगा. मीन्स x पावर 1 को x स्क्वेयर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो x क्यूब आएगा. इसी वे में आपको सबको चेक करना पड़ेगा किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो यहाँ पे वो सेम टर्म आएगा, वो कैंसिल होगा. ये x क्यूब के लिए हम x स्क्वेयर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. x square into 1 is x square into x is x cube. Here the two same terms will cancel and plus 1 here, that will become minus 3x square minus x square, that is plus 2x square, and two terms are left here, that is 3x plus 1. The two terms also we have to take here. And after that, here that variable is x square term is here, and with which variable we have to multiply the two x स्क्वेयर विथ x को किस से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो x स्क्वेयर आएगा. ऑब्वियसली x इंटू एक्स इज x स्क्वेयर. फॉर द कॉन्स्टेंट वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई विथ 2, दैट्स वाई वी आर टेकिंग 2x इंटू 1 इज अगेन 2x इंटू x इज 2x स्क्वेयर. हियर दैट x स्क्वेयर टर्म विल कैंसल. 3x minus x is x and remaining term is, that is 1. x plus 1 is left here. Then here also we are having x plus 1 into 1 we will get x plus 1, then the remainder we will get 0. We are getting that remainder is 0, which means x plus 1 is the one of the factor of the given polynomial. And in second one it is given x minus 1 by 2. We have to divide the given polynomial with x minus 1 by 2. Again x cube, with which variable we have to multiply to get that x cube. x को x स्क्वेयर से फिर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, वी विल गेट x क्यूब. दैट्स वाई वी आर टेकिंग हियर x स्क्वेयर. वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई दैट x स्क्वेयर विथ माइनस 1 बाई 2 एज वेल विथ x स्क्वेयर इंटू माइनस 1 बाई 2, दैट इज x स्क्वेयर बाई 2. x स्क्वेयर इंटू x इज we will get x cube. x cube term will cancel. Here that minus 1 will become plus 3x square plus x square. And you know very well how to add the fraction terms, that is 3x square plus x square by 2. LCM is 2. 2 3s are 6x square plus x square, that is 7x square by 2 we will get. After adding these two terms we are getting 7x square by 2, and remaining two terms are 3x plus 1. We have taken as it is. Again here which term we need, 7x square by 2. x को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 7 बाई 2 एक्स स्क्वेयर आएगा. 1 इंटू एक्स है तो 1 को सेम 7 बाई 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 7 बाई 2 आएगा. पर 7 बाई 2 इंटू एक्स 7 बाई 2 एक्स ओनली हमको, लेकिन यहाँ पे एक्स स्क्वेयर टर्म चाहिए, इसीलिए यहाँ पे 7 बाई 2 एक्स लेंगे. देन दैट इज 7 बाई 2 एक्स इंटू एक्स स्क्वेयर वी विल गेट. दैट्स वाई वी आर टेकिंग हियर 7 बाई 2 एक्स. 7 by 2x into minus 1 by 2x, that is minus 7 by 4x, and 7 by 2x into x, that is 7 by 2x square we are getting. The two same terms will cancel here. And what else, this is also plus term, this is also plus term. We will add them. After that, see, after adding the two terms we will get 19x by 4 plus 1. Again we need 19 by 4x, with which number we have to multiply to get 19 by 4x. Here x is already here, that's why we are taking 19 by 4x. 19 by 4, 19 by 4 into minus 1 by 2, that is minus 19 by 8. Again we have to multiply the same term with x also. 19 by 4 into x, 19 by 4x we are getting the same term. These two terms will cancel. Again this minus term will become plus. We have to add that 1 to that 19 by 8 we will get 27 by 8. The 27 by 8 is the remainder. which is left. That's why remainder is left means that x minus 1 by 2 is not a factor of the given polynomial. And third one you can try the third one, and see that fourth one I will explain here, because that pi term is given. That's why that same polynomial is same, x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1, and with x plus pi we have to divide. Again we have to focus on the first term, that is x cube term is given. x को x स्क्वेयर से फिर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, देन वी विल गेट x क्यूब टर्म. यहाँ पे जो ले रहे हैं उससे ये दोनों टर्म्स को, जितने टर्म्स यहाँ पे होंगे वो सब टर्म्स को हमको मल्टीप्लाई करके यहाँ पे लेना होगा. दैट्स वाई आई एम मल्टीप्लाइंग दैट एक्स स्क्वेयर विथ pi into x square, pi x square. I am not taking that value of the pi here directly, I am taking the pi x square into x cube term will cancel. Here plus 3x square, that plus term will become minus pi x square is common, I have taken out the common one, and 3 minus pi is left here, and remaining two terms also we have to take, that plus 3x plus 1. What is here, x square into 3 minus pi. यहाँ पे x टर्म है, x स्क्वेयर चाहिए, मतलब उसके लिए x से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, and also 3 minus pi constant term also there. That's why I am taking here x into 3 minus pi. Here we will get that x square 3 minus pi. This same term we are getting means this will cancel, and this term we have to multiply with pi also. पाई से यदि मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, देन x इंटू पाई एक्स पाई इंटू 3 माइनस पाई एज इट इज वी हैव टू टेक. दिस वन ऑल्सो x वेरिएबल टर्म and this one also x variable term, and this will become minus and this will also become minus. That's why these two same terms are cancelling here. 3x minus, again here x term is common, we have taken out that common term x. What is left here, 3 minus पाई इंटू 3 माइनस पाई. यदि इसको ओपन करके मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 3 इंटू पाई 3 पाई माइनस पाई इंटू पाई पाई स्क्वेयर. दैट्स वाई हियर व्हाट इज लेफ्ट, x इंटू 3 माइनस 3 पाई प्लस पाई स्क्वेयर, एंड यहाँ पे 1 इज ऑल्सो लेफ्ट, वी हैव टू टेक दैट 1 ऑल्सो. टिल हियर आई थिंक दिस इज क्लियर टू ऑल. एंड हियर वेरिएबल के ऊपर हमको फोकस करना है. दैट वेरिएबल इज x हियर मीन्स यहाँ पे x है, यहाँ पे भी एक वेरिएबल x है, तो सेम कांस्टेंट से हमको मल्टीप्लाई, यहाँ पे जो कांस्टेंट है वही कांस्टेंट से x को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो सेम नंबर हमको मिलेगा. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम टेकिंग हियर 3 माइनस 3 पाई प्लस पाई स्क्वेयर. यहाँ पे जो टर्म है उसी को ले रहे हैं. यदि x लेंगे तो x इंटू एक्स स्क्वेयर हो जाएगा, इसीलिए वेरिएबल नहीं लेना. जो टर्म हमको कांस्टेंट चाहिए वो कांस्टेंट यहाँ लिए, with that term into x we will get that same term which is we need here, that one we will get. The two terms will cancel. Again that pi is left here, we have to multiply that same term with pi also. Then we will get here pi into 3 minus 3 pi plus pi square, the same term we will get. And which one will be left here, that one is the remainder. We want to divide that term, this one is the remainder. Remainder is left means that x plus pi is not a factor of the given polynomial. In the same way you can check that, you can find the remainder of the second question also. What is given, find the remainder when x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a is divided by x minus a. Again you should use that long division method. x minus a से the given polynomial को आपको डिवाइड करना है. सेम विच वन आई हैव एक्सप्लेन, यू कैन यूज दैट मेथड. एंड थर्ड वन, सी चेक वेदर 7 प्लस 3x इज ए फैक्टर ऑफ 3x क्यूब प्लस x. यदि ये 7 प्लस 3x क्यूब प्लस 7x को फैक्टर होना है मीन्स आफ्टर डिवाइड दैट शुड रिमाइंडर्स शुड बी 0. सी हियर दैट polynomial is 3x cube, x square term is not given, after cube x square term is not given means that is 0, x square term is 0, and 7x x term is given, and constant also not there. And we have just changed the order because we know about the closure property. 5 plus 3 equal to 3 plus 5, that's why I am taking that 3x plus 7 here. X variable is x, but here we need x cube, that's why we are taking x square into 3x, that is we will get 3x cube. again c into 7 into x square, that is 7x square. That same terms will cancel, plus 7x square will become minus 7x square. 0 में से उसको माइनस करेंगे तो as it is minus term we will get, plus 7x is left, we have to take. And here x term 3x है, 3x को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 7x स्क्वेयर आएगा. 7x स्क्वेयर हमको चाहिए, मीन्स 3 कैंसिल होना है, x के लिए x से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो x इंटू एक्स स्क्वेयर आ रहा है, बट 7 चाहिए हमको. दैट्स वाई 7/3 वी आर टेकिंग. 3 विल कैंसिल, 7 इंटू एक्स 7x, 7x इंटू एक्स 7x स्क्वेयर वी विल गेट. Means here we are taking minus 7/3x, because here that 7x square is -1. That's why we are taking minus 7/3x. Minus 7/3x into 3x, that will be minus 7x square. Minus 7/3x into 7 is 7 7 is 49/3x. That these two are also x terms, a variable, same variable, like variables. 7 x square terms are cancelled here, and this one is also positive one, this one also positive one. We have to add them. After adding the x variables, we are getting the 70/3x. Again here 70/3 x is there, and here also we are having x, means we should take the constant terms only. Here we are taking 70/9, 70/9 into 3x. 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja, it will cancel. 70 into x, 70x/3 we will get, which is here. That's why I am taking here 70/9. After multiplying that with 3x, we will get 70x/3, and we have to add multiply that 70/9 with 7 also. We will get 490/9. The same terms will terminate here, will cancel here, and here this plus 1 will become minus 1, and then remainder we are getting minus 490/9. Here remainder is left. Remainder is left means that given 3x plus 7 is not a factor of the given polynomial.